Hello, Varun sir. My name is Prangshu Paul, and I'm one of the students that attended your session on financial modeling in Career Readiness Bootcamp 2023 that was organized by the placement cell of PGDAV College. Yours were one of the many sessions I looked ahead to, sir, because your bio was really impressive. And honestly, I think it would be an understatement to say that you did not disappoint, sir. Some of the concepts, especially the advanced concepts of financial modeling, were explained so beautifully by you, sir, that someone from a non-finance background like me could also grasp. I actually aspire to build my career as a finance research analyst, and a lot of these advanced concepts that were, covered so nicely by in the session are some things that were like only taught either in target business schools or were only covered by paid courses. So it was a really insightful and a very knowledgeable session learning under you, and I hope that even in the future I do come across more opportunities to once again do these similar kind of sessions under you, as well as if I have the privilege work under you, sir. Thank you.